Hello and welcome to another tutorial session with Chief Todd. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete a board in Trello. But before we head straight into the video, I want to tell you to please head over to our channel and ensure that you like, subscribe, follow, and drop your helpful comments over there. And would be sure to dish out beautiful contents like this that would help you sort out your daily needs. So to delete a board in Trello, would first of all head over to application, open up your Trello application, all right, and then it will take you to your Trello workspace as usual. This is assuming that you've already signed up on Trello. All right, so we are going to head over to our board because the aim here is to delete a board in Trello. All right, so these are our boards that have been created before now. So for this video, we are going to select the board first of all that you want to delete. All right, so this is a sample board that we will be working on for the purpose of this video to delete. The first step is to head over to the top right section over here and click on the three dotted lines. Scroll down. We are looking for the close board option, which is over here. So we are going to click on close board. So Trello does not permanently delete boards. So first of all, you would need to close the board you intend to delete. So we are going to click on close. As you can see, it's stated here that this board is closed. So for you to be able to work on this board, you would need to reopen the board to make changes. So because we are not doing that, the aim of this video is to learn how to delete boards in Trello. We are going to head back over here, all right, and you will see the option permanently delete board. So if your aim is to permanently delete this particular board, you would click on this, or if your aim is to reopen, you would do this. So for this video, we would want to permanently delete this board. So would get over with it and then click on permanently delete board and click on delete. And easy peasy, that particular board is no longer on your Trello workspace. As you can see, it's no longer here. That board has been deleted. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.